When we talk about seasons, the first thing that comes to our minds is the meteorological seasons, including the summer season, rainy season, and winter season. But did you know that agriculture follows a periodic pattern called the cropping seasons? What are the main cropping seasons in India? Let's find out more about them. One of the major cropping seasons in India coincides with the onset of the southwest monsoon in June. It is known as the Kharif season. Once the monsoon sets in, the farmers start cultivating Kharif crops on their land. These crops are dependent on the monsoon rain. Therefore, farmers raise water-intensive crops such as rice during this season. The main rice-growing states are the coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast of Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. Recently, Punjab and Haryana have also started cultivating rice on a large scale. In states like Assam, West Bengal, and Odisha, farmers cultivate rice intensively, usually growing 3 crops each year. These are known as Aus, Aman, and Boro. Apart from rice, other crops grown during the Kharif season include cotton, jute, millets, maize, bajra, tur, arhar, moong, urad, groundnut, and soybeans. Farmers harvest Kharif crops between September and October. And in many regions, communities celebrate this time of year with a harvest festival. The next cropping season, known as the Rabi, starts during the winter. The Rabi sowing takes place from October to December during cool weather conditions. Harvest falls during the summer from April to June. The major Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, grams, and mustard. Though farmers raise Rabi crops in the several parts of the country, they are mostly cultivated in India's north and northwestern regions. These regions include Punjab, Haryana, parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Uttar Pradesh. Can you guess why the north and northwestern parts of the country are prominent for Rabi crops? These regions receive winter rainfall as a result of western cyclonic disturbances. The winter rainfall fosters favorable growing conditions for the Rabi crops. After the harvest of the Rabi crops, the farmers have a brief period before the start of the next Kharif season. They grow crops such as watermelons, muskmelons, vegetables, cucumbers, fodder, and bitter gourds during this season. The short cropping season between Rabi and Kharif is known as the Zaid season. Let's summarize. There are 3 main cropping seasons in India: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. Kharif crops are sown during the onset of the monsoon and harvested between September and October. The major Kharif crops include maize, cotton, rice, jute, groundnuts, soya, jowar, bajra, moong, and urad. Rabi crops are sown in winter and harvested in summer. The major Rabi crops include wheat, barley, peas, grams, and mustard. The Zaid cropping season is a short season between Rabi and Kharif. Zaid crops include watermelons, cucumbers, muskmelons, vegetables, fodder, and bitter gourd.